its crews. It is powered by a single General Electric F110 GE129, or it could be a Pratt & Whitney F100 afterburning turbofan, depending on the block of the aircraft. Maximum speed at sea level is Mach 1.2, that's 915 miles per hour, 1,470 kilometers. At altitude, Mach 2, or 1,320 miles per hour. Range of 2,000 miles and a combat radius of 340 miles.
All right, folks, get your cameras ready. This time our Norad fly past is coming in from the right. Air Defense Command Operations Center in Colorado Springs, Colorado. However, this call wasn't from a general or from the President of the United States. It was from a little girl in Colorado Springs who was following the directions in an advertisement printed in the local paper. She wanted to know the whereabouts of Santa Claus. The ad said, "Hey kiddies, call me direct and be sure to dial the correct number." Of course, Santa Claus had taken out this ad in the paper. Unfortunately, the paper had gotten the phone number wrong. And so the little girl was calling the Continental Air Defense Command. Now on duty that night was Colonel Harry Shoup, who has come to be known as the Santa Colonel. Colonel Shoup received numerous calls that night, and rather than hanging up, he had his operators find the location of Santa Claus and reported it to every child he phoned in that night. And thus began the tradition carried on by Norad when it was formed in 1958. Today, through satellite systems, high-powered radars, and jet fighters, Norad tracks Santa Claus as he makes his Yuletide journey around the world. Now folks, here's some stats for you. Every Christmas Eve, thousands of volunteers staff telephones and computers to answer calls and emails from children and adults like Roy, because I know Christmas is your favorite time of the year.
Oh yeah.
Live updates are provided through the NORAD Track Santa website, over telephone lines and email. Website in 7 languages, over telephone lines and by email to keep curious children and their families informed about Santa's whereabouts and if it's time to go to bed. Each year, the Norad Track Santa website countries and territories around the world. Volunteers receive more than 12,000 emails and more than 70,000 calls to the NORAD Track Santa hotline from children around the globe. Now folks, for more information about NORAD Track Santa, make sure to visit noradsanta.org. States share a unique military relationship within NORAD, the only binational military organization in the world, and remains committed to its essential function, the defense of North America. Combining strength and resources of Canada and the United States,